How do you simplify the fraction 18/27? To simplify this fraction, you need to divide both the top and bottom numbers by the same number. So 18 and 27 are both divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now we have the fraction 6/9, and I can divide by 3 again. See? 6 is divisible by 3, and 9 is also divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. We end up with the fraction 2/3, and now I can't simplify it any further. So we've reached our simplest fraction. We've finished simplifying. So the fraction 2/3 is equivalent to the fraction 18/27. These are fractions that represent the same amount. But we can actually do this simplification in a more direct way. Let's take 18/27 here. We can divide directly here by 9, simplify it straight by 9. 18 is divisible by 9, and 27 is also divisible by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. And we end up with the same result here, see? We get the simplest fraction, 2/3. So if you prefer, you can do it directly here by dividing by 9 right away. Now, if you have trouble noticing that 18 and 27 are divisible by 9, just divide step by step. First, divide by 3, and then divide by 3 again. You'll get the same result. The moral of the story is, fractions just want to be understood. Pay attention to them so you don't get tripped up during the test. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'm leaving here at the end for you to watch. Big hug to you all, and God bless.